Hi everyone, Sir Almark here, and for today's video, we are going to learn how to program a robot on VEX Code VR, especially how to turn left and turn right. Okay, let's proceed with our VEX Code VR website. So first of all you need to do is to look for a browser available on your device, your tablet, your cell phone, or your PC, and open a browser and then type this URL vr.vex.com on the address bar and then press enter. It will then direct you to this website, and this is the official website of Vex Code VR. So for today's video, we are going to learn how to Unit 2, Basic Movement, Module 2, How to Program a Robot on Turning Left and Turning Right. Okay? So first, okay, let's program. Let's recall first our previous lesson. So last week we discussed about how to move forward and move reverse. For today's lesson, you're going to learn how to program your robot to move or to turn right and turn left. Okay? So, remember last week, there are two types of block that you can use to program your robot to move forward and reverse. The first one is drive block and the second one is drive for block. So you notice that on drive block, there isn't any value that you need to input. Whereas on the other one, the drive for block, you can add a value. So it's just the same, children, with our new lesson on the turning block. So we have the turn block, which is you can only turn right and left, and it will what? You see the definition. This block allows the VR robot to rotate the drivetrain forever. Okay? Forever siya pong magre-return unless or until a new block is used or a program is stopped. Okay? So when you program a robot and then you will write there or you will put there turn right alone, so it will just turn right forever unless you will put another block, just like for example 1 second, wait 1 second, or stop driving. Okay? So, ganun po ang mangyayari. And the other one is, aside from turn block, we also have turn for block. So, this turn for block allows the VR robot to rotate the drivetrain for a given number of degrees. Okay? I believe Sir Chan discussed you already or have introduced about degrees. Okay? So, and it has two parameters. We have the direction and the value. So, first we have the direction, the right and left, and then the value. So, we can input numbers from 0 to 360 degrees. Okay? So, let's proceed with our programming website. Okay? So, let's try. First of all, this is our programming website. All we need to do is to program our robot using the turn right. Okay? So this is the turn right. And then if we will click the playground, okay? There you go. So our playground is now loading. And then we will try if what will happen if we will only click turn right. Okay? So we'll click play. Okay, and our robot will just turn right forever. So, ganun po ang mangyari. Unless, we will use another block. Just like, for example, wait 1 second. Okay? Let's see. What will happen? Okay. Wait 1 second. Okay, before ang turn block. Sige. And then, ilagay natin stop driving. Saan ang stop driving? Okay. There you go. Yun, nag-wait siya 1 second. And then, walang nangyari. Why? Kasi naglagay tayo ng stop driving. Okay? Kaya hindi siya magra-run. Okay? So, ganun po ang turn right. So, unless we will put another block. Okay? Next, we'll try the other one, the turn for black. Ito po yun. So, if we will use this, ganito, ibaba lang natin to. I-hide natin. Taas. If we will use this, and then if we will click play, so the robot will turn 90 degrees. So yan, nakita nyo nag-move ang robot natin. Okay, how about if we will combine our block with move forward or drive for block. Ito yon. Magda-drive siya 200 and then turn right 90 degrees and then move forward again. So let's see what will happen to our robot. Move forward, turn right, and then move forward. Okay, that's it. So how about we will change the playground? We'll change the playground into number grid map. Okay? So we will delete this. It's either you bring this to this side and then it will automatically be deleted. Okay? So if I want my robot to move to number 45, I will then program first to move forward. Okay, let's see. 200, 400, 600, 800. So we'll change this to 800. Let's try. And then turn right. Of course, turn right. 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. And then 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's change this to drive forward again to 800. Let's see. Okay, because I want our robot to move forward and then turn right and then move forward again to go to number 45. Let's see. Move forward, turn right, and then move forward again. Should be stopped on 45. Okay, that's right. So, ganun lang ka-easy how to program our robot to move to a certain number using the number grid map playground. Okay? Ganun lang siya. So, we will now focus on our performance task. Let's see. What will be our performance task for this topic? So, we'll go back to our PowerPoint presentation here. So, your performance task, children. So, this is the scenario. Experiencing independent mobility is important for children with a severe movement disability, but learning to drive a powered wheelchair can be labor-intensive, requiring hand assistance for a skilled therapy. So, yun. Imagine, ano to, so wheelchair, automatic yung yung wheelchair. So, pwede siyang mag-move. May motor yung wheelchair natin. So, to improve accessibility to training, Angel Robotics developed a robotics wheelchair that steers itself along a course marked by a line on the floor using computer vision. So, let's see, ano kaya yun? Ang mission natin. So, our mission, guys, is this. So, your mission as a robotics engineer, so imagine yourself as a robotics engineer, is to program the robot's wheelchair, okay, to follow the task. Okay, number 1. So, tatlong program pala ang isasubmit nyo sa akin. Program the robot to create an isosceles triangle that passes through numbers 1, 110. So, on this figure, ito yon. So, the isosceles triangle. So, ito yung gagawin ninyo. So, ito, medyo mahirap siya kasi hindi 90 degrees ang gagamitin natin. So, anong degrees kaya to? So, kung ito ay 90, ito, so, hati ng 90 is, yun, 45 degrees. So, the first one is to program your robot to move from number 1 to, I believe that's 91, and then to 100, and then to number 10, and then to 0 or number 1 again. And the second program is this, isosceles from number 1, okay, diagonal, move to 100, move to 10, and then move back to number 1. And the third one is, medyo mahirap to, from 1 to 45 to 27 to 1 again. Okay? So, yun ang gagawin ninyo. So, ang gagamiting playground is the number grid map. Okay? And the rubrics, of course. So, yun lang guys, kung paano at paano gamitin ang VEXcode VR, especially on how to use the turning block. So, there are two turning blocks. We have the turn block and the turn for block. So, thank you so much and God bless on your assignment. Okay?